After we cleaned this bucket with white lightening and applied adhesion primer slick stick in 2 coats, we waited 24 hours and it was time to be painted with Florida orange. I used a cheap brush and I started dabbing the paint to create a soft texture. I applied 2 coats of Florida orange to have a solid base, and then I started to apply peacock and layer it over orange using a really light hand and horizontal brush strokes for this style. The next color is evergreen. I applied it just randomly here and there, and I actually ended up using the same brush for all the colors. And that's okay because it will just create lovely color variations. I applied some more peacock and then I introduced the lovely pistachio. I applied it mostly over evergreen, but also in random spots. And I also introduced pure ocean, which I'd applied it over peacock, but still in random spots as well. Once it was dried, I applied some black wax here and there to look as loads of time has passed over this bucket. And the last detail, Cooper gilding wax. I applied it on edges, handles, also in just spots where I felt like. In a few hours I buffed off all the excess wax and then I sealed it with 3 layers of flat clear coat. And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you soon! Bye!